Road Gremlin bells, spirit bells, guardian bells. What are they? What do they do? Why do I want to put them on my motorcycle? Let's talk about it. The story is that if you attach these bells to your motorcycle close to the ground, which allows them to catch evil road spirits. This is supposed to stop the spirits and gremlins from causing mechanical issues on your motorcycle. Others say they are guardians or angels that protect you while you ride. In order for the bell to work, you must receive the bell as a gift. You're not supposed to buy your own, and for me, my birthday is next week, and my wife bought this bell for me. Very pretty. Now, also, the other part of the story is that you're supposed to mount the bell on the lowest part of the frame as possible. Now, on my Harley, we got a lot of bolts. Now it's just finding the right one. I think I determined I'm going to do that one right there. Now, also, along with the story, if you receive the bell as a gift, you're not supposed to mount it. Well, I'm going to loosen the bolt, put it on there, but when the wife gets home, I'll have her tighten it down. Now, you don't have to mount it to a bolt. You can use a zip tie. As you can see, there's zip tied stuff underneath here. Just make sure you want to zip tie it as low to the ground as possible. Because again, this is supposed to protect you from road gremlins. We're talking tar snakes and potholes and debris and stuff like that. But before I mount this, if you could hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, that'd be great. So again, I'm gonna take this bolt off. Grab my bell. Yeah, got plenty of thread. Put that there, leave that finger tight, wait for the wife to get home, and let her tighten that down. So again, thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy.